Hello everyone. Happy Monday. I can't believe it's another week. I am actually on week 9 of the Fall Wardrobe Challenge, and I can't believe how fast it's gone. There's just like so many things that we went through and so many things to still go through. So this week I decided to do one turtleneck 5 ways. Now, I mean, I don't know about you, but I feel like everyone has a, black turtleneck stuck somewhere in the back of their like dresser drawer that they had like from years ago that maybe they, just got for underneath a sweater that they liked, or they got it for, I don't know, like a Halloween costume, who knows? But you have that one turtleneck that you never wear, you never use. So I thought that I would do a little something about that so that you can maybe pull it out and style it in all different new ways this fall and winter. So that's what I did. And today I started off with the very, very, very basic turtleneck and jeans. So I did some skinny jeans and I did my homemade fringe skinny jeans that I actually did hook up on the Like to Know What a few fringe jeans. But these ones are homemade and they're not hard to do. And if there are people who really want me to show you how to do it, I can definitely show you how to do it. So yeah, like leave a comment. Tell me if you want me to do like a video about fringing your jeans or something like that. I'd love to do like a distressed series too, but if you're interested in that, please let me know. So the great thing about styling a basic black turtleneck and jeans is that you can go wild with all of the things other than that shirt, because that shirt is going to let everything else be the star of the show. So like what I did is I wore my favorite Zodiacaa Leo earrings because they can do a nice bold earring with something like this. And I put on a few like sparkly bangles. And this is my regular, I wear this ring. I've had this ring since I graduated high school. So it's my my clatter ring. And that's my basic that I wear it all the time. And yeah, and just like a little cigar ring. And yeah, I wore some booties, and then this fringe can really like stand out as well because you have something that's so basic on top. And let everything else be the star of the show. So that's my first tip, is to do just a basic and let your favorite pieces really shine in that moment. Like I said, these are like my favorite statement earrings. And I got another new pair of statement earrings that I can't wait to wear this week either. I'm going to see what I'm going to like pair it with. So please, if you remember like, oh my gosh, yeah, I do have a turtleneck somewhere, I'm just going to grab that turtleneck and maybe Jen will teach me a few things about what I can do with it. And I'm so ready to do that. So I'm looking forward to the week, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow. If you have any questions, any comments, if you want me to show a specific style for the turtleneck this week, then comments or DM me, and I'd be happy to set it up. So have a great rest of your day, guys. Bye.